If your sniffles look like a waterfall, you're in luck. Meet your new best friends, biochemic salts. Biochemic salts are a natural way to tackle cold, cough, and fever. Here's the dream team. Calcarea Phos 6X, Calimur 6X, Ferrum-Phos 12X, and Natrum Sulf 6X. Buy a 25-gram pack of each and store them in an airtight box. They don't expire. When anyone in the family feels under the weather, dissolve 3 tablets of each salt, 12 tablets in total, in 100 milliliters of clean water using a stainless steel bowl. Cover it with a lid. This magic potion lasts up to a week. Sip 1 teaspoon every 1 to 2 hours from morning till bedtime until you're feeling better. It's super effective against runny noses, watery eyes, phlegm, and respiratory infections. It even works for fevers. The best part? It's safe for all ages, from tiny tots to adults. So next time you're feeling sick, remember biochemic salts, the natural way to health.